Hey friends, it's Lisa. Welcome and thank you for watching another one of my videos. So today I have a planner video and I am sharing with you this Midori date book that I recently purchased from Tokyo Pen Shop. Now they have a website, tokyopenshop.com, and they also have a YouTube video, or excuse me, a channel, Tokyo Pen Shop, and that's how I found out about these. It was randomly recommended. I watched the video and then next thing you know, oops, there goes money outside, my pocket or my PayPal account. But anyway, this is the 2019 date book from Midori and its theme is called Birds on Peaches, which is so random, but I love it so much that I had to buy it because I make bad choices when I'm tired. I shouldn't say bad choices. I make choices that I don't need to make. So anyway, I'm going to flip this open and turn on the light. But right now it has a little bit of plastic wrap on it, so there's a lot of shine on it, so as you can see. But it says 2019 date book. Hope you have wonderful days. Now, as I said, this is available from Tokyo Pen Shop, their website. It currently retails for $24.90, and I believe they have a deal with Midori that they're an authorized seller of Midori products in the United States. Now, it's been such a long time since I've measured with rulers and I'm not the greatest, but this is in width it is 4 3/4 across and it is 7 inches tall. So if you look close, I hope that shows. I don't think it does. Okay. So this one has these like this is clear plastic and you can see the months, the dates of the months on here. So when you open it up, I'm just going to flip through it a little bit. You get your 2019 and 2020 year at a glance. And then you also get a 2019 yearly schedule, which I think is pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm looking at these red blocks and I don't know what these red blocks are. I haven't actually looked at another calendar, but I think this is really awesome if you want to do a grand overview of your year. And then it actually starts in October of 2018. So for October through December, you're going to get you're going to get monthly spreads. And then when you get into January, you're going to get your monthly and weekly. So here's October. Here's November. And I love the illustrations on this. And here's December. And then when you go into January, you notice one that this tab now shows 1 because we are on the first month of the year. And then it's going to go into a weekly spread over here where you get horizontal boxes for each of the days. Not a lot of space, but just enough. And then you get a lined note page over here to keep notes. And then you're going to go through and do the same thing for the next week and so on. So you'll have January. And then you go into your next month, February. And I just love the birds. And then there's some Japanese writing for some of the different holidays. So I'm guessing probably the red boxes for the overview are Japanese holidays. So then this is what March looks like. Here's April. May. June, July, August, September, and it does come with a ribbon bookmark keep your pages. October, November, and December. And then when you reach the end of the year, you get, you actually get January of 2020. And then you get several pages of lined note pages. And then you get an area for addresses. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages for addresses. 7. And then it looks like subway maps of Japanese cities. I don't read Japanese. I started taking Japanese in college and then realized that wasn't the language for me and dropped it. So I appreciate it. I think it looks cool. I couldn't learn it. And then there's this last page that's for personal memo. And then it also does come with a vinyl pen loop that's attached. I still have the actual plastic wrap on here, and as you can see, there's the barcode and everything. But I'm actually going to slip this in my Oh Hello Stationery Co. Traveler's Notebook. So basically, I'm just going to slip it in like this, and then I would have it right here in the front of my Traveler's Notebook. So that's what my plan is so far. But I just want to, I'm planning on using this to just keep like little notes about things, not like my hardcore planning. But that was my quick overview of the 2019 Midori. This is actually considered a B6 planner diary. I think it's adorable. I didn't need it, honestly, but I wanted it. I saw the birds on peaches and I thought, I need that in my life. So, if you like this video or found any of the information helpful, please think about giving this video a thumbs up. I will put the link for Tokyo Pen Shop's both their YouTube channel and also their website if you're interested. They have really cool, they're really about pens, like anything you want about pens, this website has them. I didn't even know there was as much pen related material as there was, but they also have a ton of Midori related products. I didn't know that much about Midori. I still don't know that much, but they have like the traveler's notebooks. I think they were the originators of them. So they have traveler's notebooks on there. They have 2019 planners, pens, pencils, pen cases, basically anything in that spectrum they carry, and it's all from Japan, which is really cool. And I believe it's a husband and wife company. So like I said, I will put their information in the description box down below. And as I said a few minutes ago, if you like this video or found any of the information helpful, please think about giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. And until next time, I hope you guys all stay well. Bye!